The Pond Creek Restoration Project is currently underway at the Higbee Beach Wildlife Management Area at Sunset Beach, and many people went that way towards Cape May for this Memorial Day weekend and realized they couldn't get in certain areas and wanted to know what is going on. And there's a lot to go on with this project, so I figured let's make a quick little video along with some seagull footage to go ahead and break it down for you. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Cluster's handcrafted popcorn of Wildwood. Fresh gourmet popcorn made daily in mouth-watering flavors like white cheddar, toasted coconut, and garlic parmesan. Visit Cluster's on the Wildwood Boardwalk between Wildwood and Oak Avenue, or at clusterspopcornwildwood.com for a delightful Cluster's experience. In the early 1900s, Pond Creek Marsh was cut off from free-flowing tidal influences. The area saw further damages due to sand mining, which is from the former magnesite plant, which led to a loss of precious wetlands. In response, the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection has embarked on a multi-year phase to restore and enhance about 400 acres of wetlands and upland marine habitat. This project aims to really do three large things. The first one is to re-establish tidal water flow to a large portion of the Pond Creek Marsh. Next is to reduce flood risks to the upper watershed and eastern freshwater marsh area. And third, enable habitat management of the northern marsh area. Remember that a lot of different kinds of birds and fish, they rely on Cape May as a vital stopover along the Atlantic Flyway each fall. And so this project is going to help out a lot of those birds and fish. But I know what you're saying, how is this going to help visitors and guests? The project includes recreational and educational facilities, as well as wildlife viewing blinds, boardwalks offering unique views within the marsh, and an expanded trail network, something such as me who loves trails, this is great for. The expected date that this project is going to be done is December of 2026. And I know what you're saying, wow, that is really far from now. And yes, it is. It just takes a long time to fix damage that we caused almost 100 years ago. I figured that since we do have the seagull with us, we put it in the sky and kind of record what everything looks like as the project begins. The footage you're looking at now is actually from a few weeks ago. Since then, more work has taken place, but I figured every 6 months we should go back and document all of the work that is taking place. Because in the future, people are going to want to look back and say, hey, what used to be here? What did this used to look like? And then we will have it on video. So for the remainder of the video, go ahead and check out these seagull views. So there you go. Is this a project that you're excited for? Let me know in the comment section below. I know it's going to be a little sad that we can't go over there for that amount of time until the project's done. But once it's done, it is going to be a very nice park and all of that. So, you know, trade-off here and there. I know there's been a lot of debate whether or not that should be freshwater and saltwater. So I really want to know your opinion. So let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'm Joey. I'll see you on the beach, which is right down there. See you later. Bye.